So now let's see how we can work around with different image filters, apply it and adjust it inside of Microsoft Designer. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, the visual section right here. And then over here, I'm going to go around and bring in an image right here. So let's just go around and bring in this particular image right here, just like this. So now in order to go around and apply our filters to it, I'm going to go around and click right here just like this on this particular image, and then I'm going to go around under effects right here. So once I do that, you can see that there's different filters that I can apply right here. Like this is normal right now, but you can make it more calm. You can make it more sunshine right here just like this. And you can change around the intensity of the filter as well. And when you're working with filter, what is happening is that the adjustment itself are being changed out. So you can see that as I click on it, the sliders right here change out as per the preset set right here. And as I change around the intensity, you can see that those particular settings right here gets more intense. You can go around over here and click on show all right here, and this is what you have. So there's different sort of filters that you can utilize, as you can see, and just like this. So you can go around over here, go back, and then you can see that this is what you have right here, the effect that is applied right here. And that is how you can go around and apply out filters as you like inside of Microsoft Designer to give images the look you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.